Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is the unboxing, setup and demo of the LG 8 kg fully automatic top load washing machine. This is the 2025 model with the number T80VBMB4Z. I bought this product on Amazon for 18,000 rupees and the MRP is around 21,000. The washing machine is 5-star rated, has an LED display, soft close doors, stainless steel drum and also has an auto pre-wash technology. This is the box package which I got from Amazon and the delivery was within 1 day after booking since I live in a tier 1 city, and also the installation was completed within the next few hours. LG official service guys came and installed the machine in just half an hour and explained me all the details and also sold me the stand and also the washing machine cover as well. I have kept the washing machine in indoor washing area in my house, which is away from direct sunlight, which is recommended. This is the iron stand for the washing machine which has rubber shoes. It was bought by LG installation people itself and it costed me 1,600 rupees. The stand is an important accessory for the washing machine because it makes sure that the water outlet does not touch the bottom surface of the washing machine, which helps in preventing the rust and improves durability of the washing machine. They also sold this waterproof grey color cover for the machine. The cover is optional. If you keep the machine in your balcony, then it is needed, otherwise it is not, in my opinion. Another important accessory which I had to buy during the installation process was this washing machine TDS filter, which costed me another 1,500 rupees. This was required as the tap which was connected to my machine as an inlet had a TDS score of above 400, which is very high and indicates that it is hard water. And apparently it damages the drum and reduces the lifespan of our machine. Hence, the filter helps protect our machine by filtering and softening the water. The filter needs to be replaced once in 5 years as per their instructions. These are the buttons which are provided on the top surface of the machine for controlling various features of the machine, including power on off, program controls, start or pause button and the cycle status indicators. In my opinion, the drum is the USP of this washing machine, which is a stainless steel turbo drum. It has a pulsator at the bottom with nice inner embossing. It has side waterfall technology for water inlet and has a spin speed of 740 RPM. It helps in removing the toughest stains by using a strong water stream in the drum with the pulsator spinning in opposite direction. The stainless steel lifters keep the insides of the machine also hygienic. This is the top lid, which uses a very tough tempered glass and has a very soft closed door, which feels really premium in this category and price range of washing machines. Before we proceed to the demo, here are the key specifications of this machine. The height of the machine is 4 feet. It weighs 31 kgs. The color is grey, which is called as middle black in the LG naming convention. This model has a 5-star energy rating under BEE, which is Bureau of Energy Efficiency Standards, indicating excellent energy efficiency, which translates to lower electricity bills over the machine's lifespan. It has an inbuilt stabilizer, an auto restart function for when the power goes, and it has 5 water levels. It has a smart inverter motor. It has a child lock function, and the warranty for the entire product from LG is 2 years. The warranty for the motor is 10 years. The product is manufactured in Noida, so it is a Make in India product. Now let's go ahead and look at the different functionalities that is offered by the machine. As you can see, there is this normal mode, quick wash, gentle, strong program, pre-wash press normal program, rinse, aqua reserve and tub clean. Normal mode actually works at around 45 minutes and pre-wash actually takes around 1 hour. Quick wash is something which can be done in 25 minutes itself. As per the instruction manual, the tub cleaning has to be performed once in a month using LG official powder or using a good quality third-party tub cleaning powder as well. And after each wash, it is recommended to wipe the insides with a clean dry cloth for improving longevity of the product. This is the place where you pour your washing powder like Surf Excel or others. In case you use a washing liquid, you can pour it directly on your clothes itself. And there are holes on the left side of the machine which actually helps in pouring your Comfort fabric conditioner or Dettol or Savlon, whichever you use. This area is called softener dispenser. As you can see, we are doing a quick demo with Ariel liquid, which was provided inside the box package of the machine as free sample. There is this blue circle shaped object which is called the magic filter, which helps in making sure no buttons or sharp objects reach the motor or drum's inner sides. We are showing a detailed demo including all the steps which will be helpful for users in better understanding of using this product. I am just doing a quick wash for this video purpose using a small set of cloths. In case you don't have 8 kgs of clothes in each wash, you can use lesser clothes as well. Or you can combine clothes from 3 or 4 days and wash it together. It has reduced noise and vibration, which offers a quieter and more stable washing experience. It uses an advanced washing technology with 6 different wash motions including scrubbing, rolling, stepping, filtration, swing and tumbling. It uses a waterfall and jet spray technology to help wash off dirt and excessive detergents. It also offers pre-wash, which is an 8-minute pre-wash cycle to tackle the tough stains. It uses fuzzy logic to automatically select the best washing conditions based on the load. In case of any issues during the wash cycle or within your entire washing machine, it uses smart diagnosis, which helps in troubleshooting issues using your smartphone on the LG ThinQ app. The digital LED display is very easy to read for all of your settings and the current timing and also the cycle information, and it is helpful to read in all lighting conditions. When you put clothes, powder and start the machine, it detects the load inside and automatically understands the water levels needed and the speeds required. In my usage, the best thing which I felt about this machine is its soundless operation. Previously, I had a 1999 model IFB washing machine which used to have sound like a generator, which although I miss now, but as technology has advanced, the current generation washing machines like this has no sound and vibrates very less. It uses less water and consumes less electricity as well. Overall, it's a very good product in my opinion. Now, since we have understood the product in detail, this is the LG's official website. As you can see, it has been awarded as the best washing machine brand in 2024. And the machine that we have bought today is this model, which is T80 VBMB4Z. It is an 8 kg top load washing machine with smart inverter motor. The current price is showing as 19,990 on Amazon. It also has an exchange offer as well on Amazon as well, and it also has 2,000 rupees discount on your credit cards as well. And this is the 2025 model, which is called Middle Black, which is sort of looking like a gray color, and it is a very good looking product, guys. And this is the official website of LG, which has many more details if you want to browse and understand the specifications before making the purchase decision. So it has a smart inverter technology, durability is mentioned over there, energy efficiency, the compact design of it is mentioned over there, and also it mentions in detail about this specialized turbo drum technology, which we have shown and explained in detail. And also it has this fuzzy logic, which I was explaining you guys earlier, and has this smart cleaning technology and smart diagnosis using the LG Think app, and also has that pre-wash. And there are a few more features which is mentioned over there on this product page of LG, like the wide diamond glass, a soft closing door, auto restart function, standby power saving technology, and also there is this multi gallery that is present for this product, which helps you to understand from all the angles. Once you are done with washing of clothes, it is recommended that you wipe it with a clean and dry cloth and close this cover so that there is no dust, dirt or water which falls on the washing machine and keeps it clean for a longer period of time. That's pretty much it for this detailed video on this LG Top Load 8 kg washing machine, guys, and the purchase link for this product is given in the description. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.